Hi everyone, how are you? Mr. Zaki with you to explain GAT and the sixth strategy. Today we are explaining the number six of strategies, how to solve the problem by short time. So here, forming a mathematic equation. Now we can use it also a formula or a forming a mathematic equation that it is easy for me when I solve the problems. We will take this example. If the sum of four consecutive odd numbers is 56, then the greatest number of them is what? We have here, yes, we have here, he said, the sum of four consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers, that's what is the meaning? So we suppose the first number is X. Look here. The second number, because he said consecutive odd number, the second number is X plus 2. The third number, it is X plus 4. The fourth number, it is X plus 6. Look, then you added the numbers X plus X plus X plus X, it is 4X. Also, 2 plus 4 plus 6, it is 12. All things equals what? Equals 56 here. We put it 56, right? Then 12 go to another side. 56 minus 12, it is 44 divided by 4. Then X equals 11, right? Then you substitute here. He said the greatest number, only substitute, right here 11, and the another number is 11 plus 2, it is 13, and 11 plus 4, it is what? It is 15, right? And 11 plus 6, it is what? It is 70, right? So I have four numbers here. Now he asked me, what is the greatest number? It is what? It is 17. So the answer is what? It is C, right? Do you understand? Is it clear? Right. Okay, we will go to do another example to solve by forming a mathematical equation. Now, he said in the example 2, a positive integer whose square exceeds its double by 8. Find the number. So we substitute about what is it, the number. He said a positive integer whose square exceeds. So I suppose the number is X. I write it X. Then exceed square, it is what? It is square, X square, right? It is double by 8 and double 2X, right? Then I write it X square plus 2X equals 8. So you write it here. Equals, oh, sorry, exceed, that's minus, sorry. Here, you write it minus. I write here minus. Then I solve this problem. So how I solve this problem? If you know, that's fine. If you don't know, pay attention, please, to know how to solve this problem. Go to another side. Also, I have it another way. Maybe it is easy for you. When substituted in from the answers, then you get 8. Okay, if you substitute it in the 16, then 16 squared minus 2 times 16 not equals to 8, right? So the first answer is wrong. What about B? 12. 12 squared minus 2 times 12 plus equals 8. Also, if you substitute it, then you don't get the answer, the same number. What about 8? Also the same. It is wrong. Another, or if I substitute it in 4, 4 squared, it is 16, right? Minus 2 times 4, it is 8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. So the correct answer is 4, right? The correct answer is 4. Without, I don't solve the problem. I don't solve the equation. I don't solve it. Only I try from the answers, then I get it, the answer. Okay, if I want to solve it, pay attention how I solve this problem. If I have x squared minus 2x equals 8. You know how to solve this problem? 8 go to another side in the left. So x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0, right? Equals 0. So how I solve? You put it here, brackets, 2 brackets. Now you give also 2 number here, x. You separate x here and x here. If you have negative, negative, so when it is negative and another one is positive. Now you give me 2 numbers. That's number when you get production, it is 8, and when you add it, you get 2. The number 4 here, 4 and 2. When you multiply 4 to 2, it is minus 8. When you add minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 2. So now the answer, the brackets when it is 4, and the answer of brackets 2, x equals minus 2. Minus 2. He said here positive integer. Positive integer. So the correct answer, x equals 4. So the answer is D. Right? Do you understand, my student? Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello, are you with me? Good. Good, Ahmed Arroba. Good. Now, example number 3. The length of a rectangle exceeds its width by 5 centimeters. If its area equals 14 centimeters square, find its length. I have now a rectangle. A rectangle, what is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? You multiply width and length, right? So I suppose the width now, because he said the length of a rectangle exceeds its width by 5 centimeters. So I suppose the width, it is x. What about the length? The length will be, because he said exceeds its width by 5 centimeters. So x multiply by x plus what? Plus 5. This is the length, and the width is x, equals the area, it is 14, right? Now he said find the length. How I find the length? Only you have two ways also. The first one, you try it from the answer. How? First one, because he said about the length here, x plus 5. You must first, you subtract from 5, then you get the x. Try it now. If I have here 5, then the length is 5. What about the x here? X here, because 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 0 times 5 is not equal to 14. So the first one is wrong. What about the second answer? Also, you try it like this. Will be the length. The length, it is what? It is 7. The length, it is 7, right? What about the x? X, it is the width. The width, 7 minus 5, it is 2. So 2 times 7 equals 14. All right, it is correct. So the answer B, it is right, it is correct. This without solving the equation. Only I try it from the answer, then I get the answer. Okay, if you want to solve the problems, okay, you have two ways also. Maybe you think about it. Here I have two numbers here, x and x plus 5. You can find two numbers that's multiply, that's the result, it is 14. But between two numbers, it is 5. So this 14, it is 2 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiply 7, it is 14. Between 2 and 7, it is 5, right? So now x will be 2 and x plus 7 will be 7, right? So the length, it is what? It is 7, right? Good. Also another, the last way, you can analyze is 14, go to another side, then you have equation here, then you analyze is x minus 2, x plus 7 equals 0, then the brackets, the first brackets here, x equals 2, and the second bracket, x minus 7. So this refuse it because negative. So we take x equal 2, then the length, it is 2 plus 5, it is what? It is 7. So 7 centimeters, right? Do you see? Good. Now, maybe the easier one, or the easier way, it is maybe you try, then you check the answer with the equation, then you get the answer. Right. Here, number 4, the last example, 3 consecutive positive even numbers, the square of the middle number exceeds the sum of the 2 other number by 8. Find the middle number. Yeah, we have how many numbers here? How many numbers? He said 3 consecutive positive. I have 3 numbers. The first number, it is x. Second number, it is x plus 2. The third number, it is what? X plus 4, right? Because he said even number, consecutive, positive, even number. So the square of the middle, he wants the square of the middle, x plus 2, I put it square. He said the middle number exceeds the sum of the 2 other number. That's, he said exceed, you put it here, minus or subtraction, and the other, you add the other one, x plus 4 equals what? Equals to 8. Okay, now I use it this equation. Now also you can try it. Try or you check the answer and you get the answer. How? Okay, I try it now from the answer, then I get the answer by checking. Okay, by checking. Okay, I check now 4. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 6 square, it is 36, right? Minus 4 plus 4, it is 8. 8 plus 4, it is 12, right? Right? It is here 12. So 36 minus 12, it is what? When you substitute, it is right? 36, because 4 plus 2 squared 36 minus 12. How much will be? How much? It is not okay, right? Because you have 24 here. You can't do it. Okay, now he wanted what? He wanted the middle numbers here. Okay, now only you have one way. So you solve it, the problem. X plus 2 square, that's the answer is x square, then x times 2 times 2, it is 4x plus 4 minus. Also here, I write it here what? Oh, the sum of 2. The sum of the 2 other number. How I get it here? Okay, 2x. I put it 2x. Here also, because here minus, I have minus. Minus 2x, minus 4. Then the 8, it is to go another side. So I have equation here. How I solve it? I said to you before, you write 2 brackets, then you get or you find 2 numbers. When you add, equals 2. When you multiply, it is minus 8. So the number is 2 and 4, right? So I substitute it now in the number when I suppose that's 2. I put it here. It is 2. I suppose here the first number it is 2, and 2 plus 2 it is 4. Then 2 plus 2 the number is 4. It is what? It is A. Right? Good. Now we finish the strategies for GAT, and I am happy with you to explain these strategies that you can solve the problems in math section, short methods for solving problems. And thank you. You are welcome with Mr. Zaki. Bye-bye, my student, and good luck. Bye, my student.